Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you open Excel, click the Copilot button and ask it to analyze your data, but it gives you a generic response that you don't really need at that point. Anyway, Copilot for Excel has a structure, requirements, then Word, the data must be in a proper table format, this one for example. And also the file must be saved in OneDrive and the table must be named. Copilot can't analyze data that's just in cells without structure. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to fix this problem, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, you got to go all the way and save the file to OneDrive on your account. Then convert your data to a table. Copilot can only analyze data that is in a proper Excel table. Select your data range, go to Insert, Table, or press Ctrl+G and confirm the range. This converts your data to basically a formatted table, making it readable by Copilot. Or you can also save it on your local, then tap on this plus button, add images or files, and for example, just double click the file and it will be added. Anyway, check the file format as well, since Copilot supports Excel files or .xlsx. If you are using an older format like .xls or CSV, convert it to the new one and save it. Also make sure to check permissions, check privacy settings as well. I'm talking here about file, account privacy, and settings, and ensure experience that analyzer content is turned on. On Mac, go to Excel, Preferences, Privacy, and enable the same thing. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.